Hi everyone, welcome back to Still Las Vegas. Today we are sharing a room tour video from the Paris Hotel on the Las Vegas Strip. We are staying in a Bordeaux corner room 1 king and we're on the 7th floor. It's a pool view room number 725P. We're just on the corner here. So the pool is here and we can also see the Eiffel Tower and some of the strip. It is a pretty good view, so I'm excited to show you that. But first let's have a look at the room. So just as you come in the front door here, there's quite a lot of space just next to the door, which leads to this corridor that will bring you into the room. So a very spacious entry, and there's also some lovely artwork here in this hallway area. Looking into the main part of the room, you can see the king size bed there and the 2 bedside tables. So each bedside table has a lamp. So we've got this one here and it has some outlets on either side. And there's also this kind of charging unit here where you can wirelessly charge, and it's also got USB and USB-Cs as well. So really good that there's all of these charging options included in this room. The bedside tables do have drawers, quite small drawers, but there are 3 of them on each side. And then this is the bed. So a really lovely headboard, a very nice design, and it is a king size bed. And we'll just have a look at the other side. So just really the same again, except there's not a charging unit on this one. There is a telephone here and there are some outlets on either side of the lamp, and again you've got the 3 drawers here as well. So that is the bed area, and just next to that you have this very comfortable armchair which also has a little footrest and a side table there, and that is positioned just next to the window. Then in front of the bed, just to the other side here, we have a storage area where you've got a wardrobe, you've also got your TV unit and some drawers below. So we'll just take a closer look at that. So these mirrors at either side are full length mirrors and they open up to 2 wardrobes on either side. This side has an ironing board and an iron, which is good. And then you've got the drawers just here. And these drawers are really spacious, large size drawers, so plenty of storage there. You've got 3 of them. Just above the drawers you also have your ice bucket and some Caesar's cups there, and then you've got the TV just above that, and it is a really large screen TV. Below the TV to the other side of the drawers you have this cupboard which actually contains a safe, and it's a pretty good size safe. There's a lot of room in there, and below that you have the mini fridge and it's actually empty. So sometimes they would have chargeable items in there, but this is quite good because if you buy any drinks or anything you can use this for your own use. So I really like that. Then at the other side of this unit we have another cupboard door which is just another long hanging area, and there's also room for a spare pillow above as well. So a really great wardrobe included in this room. Again, you've got the full length mirror at the other side here as well. So we'll just take a general look at the room from this angle. So we've got again the bed here, and you can see just next to the armchair the window and the storage unit there as well. Then of course this is a corner room, so we have the window on this side, but we also have the window here, and this is the one that has the better view of the pool and the strip. So I'll show you that with the curtains open in just a moment. There's just another couple of parts of the room to show you. There is a little stool here for sitting getting ready. Then we also have this dressing area here between the room and the bathroom. So on this you have your mini bar. So these items are all weighted chargeable items, and that's just sitting on a desk where you have a comfortable chair, and there's also a nice light and mirror above that as well. And actually at the other side, just behind the desk, there's another wardrobe. This is a double size full wardrobe for long hanging, and you also have a shelf above. So great to see so much storage in this room. And now this dressing area leads through to the bathroom, so we'll have a look at the bathroom now. So the bathroom is a really good size. There's some lovely artwork just there of the Eiffel Tower, which is a really nice touch. And you have this lovely sink area where there's plenty of room to store your toiletries. There's also a shelf below with towels and a hairdryer. And then you have this really nice looking mirror above the sink, and there are 2 lights at either side. So it's a really well lit bathroom, great for getting ready, doing makeup, And we'll just take a closer look at the toiletries that you get included with the room. So you have a shampoo here and a conditioner, and you also have a bar of soap just there, which is great to have included in the room. And just continuing on, we have the toilet here, and again that lovely artwork, and then just to the other side we have a large walk-in shower. This shower really is huge. It goes the full length of the bathroom, so I'll just show you inside. You can see the shower head is a large waterfall shower head, and the water pressure in there is really good. And there's also a little handheld shower head there as well. And there's a shelf for storing your toiletries at the top and at the bottom as well. And you can see it continues on to the other side where there's actually a seating area, and there's another bar of soap in there as well. So it's a really, really nice shower. I'm very impressed with the bathroom in this room. And we'll just head through now to have a look at the amazing view from this corner room. And this is the view here, so you can see out to the Arc de Triomphe at the valley, which is really nice to see that. It's so close to the window. And then you can also see the Paris balloon, which is part of this hotel. Then we can see across to some of the other properties. We've got the Cosmopolitan and some of the Bellagio there. And then just looking further down the south end of the strip, you can see parts of Aria, Waldorf Astoria and Planet Hollywood. And this is the view from the other window. So this is a pool view. You can see the full pool there. It's such a good view of that area. And then of course you can see the Eiffel Tower. So I really love having this amazing view. You can see the full tower from our room. It's such a great view to have. And of course behind the Eiffel Tower is the Bellagio, and the Bellagio fountains go off regularly throughout the day and night. It's not a fountain view from this room, but when the fountains do come on, they reach very high heights right up to the top of the Bellagio sign there, so you can actually see them when they're on, which is pretty amazing. So I really think this is such a good view. You can also see Caesar's Palace and some of the other properties on the strip, so really, really happy with this view. It's great to have the corner where you have both windows as well. So overall, I'm very impressed with this room. This is our first time staying at Paris in Las Vegas, and I really think the room is lovely. It looks very fresh and nice decor. The only problem that we found is it is a little bit dark. One of our lamps wasn't working, and there actually isn't a ceiling light, so it was just a little bit dark. But other than that, it's been an amazing stay here at Paris. I would recommend it. The room is lovely. If you have enjoyed watching this video today, please remember to give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe for more Vegas videos, as we do upload new videos every week. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.